It's been some time since we've reported from Gondwa. Let's take a look at what has changed since then.
What is that? Did you hear that?
I don't know what it is, but it's not news. Focus, Ramford.
It's some kind of ramp thing.
A ramp thing is not
Gotta go.
news.
This is Ramford Beekman reporting on what appears to
Don't
be...
try to make it look like news. It's nonsense for the sake of nonsense, and it's not gonna end well.
But Gale...
If anyone needs me, I'll be in Hot Springs.
I'm Ramford Beekman with BiRD News. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Are you lost, or are you trying to get sent to Ripple?
No, I'm actually trying to join. I mean, I'm reporting, but possibly, hopefully, also joining.
Did you hear that? He wants to join the Plague Riders. Do you even ride?
Of course I ride. I rode all the way from Riparia.
You rode across the ocean and through the boundary wall.
Yes.
Very well. Show us.
Yeah, show you. Yeah, no problem. Watch this! Maybe if I try like this?
He doesn't ride. He's wasting our time.
He probably can't even fly.
Is he even a ramph?
Almost had it there. No, let me try something different. Maybe I should just give up. Okay, one more try, then I give up. Got it! Ramford Beekman, a rolling ramph. Gale would be so impressed right now.
Most unimpressive. Also, irrelevant, since you're not a plague ramph.
This is the one I was talking about. Yeah.
On a second thought, welcome to the Plague Riders.
Target acquired.
What does he mean, target?
He meant research subjects. We're gathering information on the new species.
Well, information is kind of my specialty.
Ride ahead, then. Show us how it's done.
Seeing what kind of trophy they drop is technically research.
Ramford Beekman live on the scene with the new Pentaceratops. Might sound strange coming from a ramph, but I always appreciate a new herbivore.
Freeze, Ramph. You're coming with us.
You're going away for a long time, Plague Rat.
To be wild.